Hey guys, KakureSoul here with a double review. This time I'll be reviewing the Ryusoul Set 03 and the Ryusoul Buckle G from Kishiryu Sentai Ryusoulger. This is the third set of 3 additional Ryusouls, as well as Ryusoul Gold's version of the team belt, which includes 1 Ryusoul. So, let's get started. First off, as usual, we'll take a look at the individual Ryusouls. First up is the MieSoul, from Miemas, meaning to see. This depicts the MieSoul, a violet dinosaur with a magnifying glass covering its eye. We then flip it up into night mode. We've got the shield with its symbol, and then for the weapon arm, it's instead holding a giant magnifying glass. Next we have the MabushiSoul, from Mabushi, meaning bright. This depicts the MabushiSoul, a navy dinosaur, with a head that looks like a light bulb, as well as a little spark coming from it, and eyes that looks like it's blinded. Switching it to night mode, have the shield with its symbol, and then the sword, which looks like it's shining bright, which actually, upon closer inspection, is really a flashlight with the beam extending out like a sword blade. Then you have the KakureSoul from Kakuremas, meaning to hide. This depicts the KakureSoul, a lime green dinosaur that looks like a ninja, seeing as it has a ninja forehead protector, and a little bit on the snout, which looks like chainmail. Switching it to night mode, you have the shield with a symbol, and then the sword, which has the outline of a blade, meaning it's kind of disappeared. And fourth, we have the YawarakaSoul from Yawarakai, meaning soft. This makes the YawarakaSoul, a cyan dinosaur, which appears to have octopus tentacles extending from the back of its head. Switching it to night mode, you have the shield with its symbol, and then the weapon, which is a kind of soft and tentacle-like sword. Next, we'll get the Ryusoul Buckle G. So as to be expected, this is just a recolor of the original Ryusoul Buckle, with the gold buckle and silver straps switch out for a silver buckle and blue straps. This has about the same makeup as the original, the key difference being that instead of having a Ryusoul holder and a holster for the weapon, this instead has the buckle along with 2 Ryusoul holders, meaning that it has a full capacity of 5 Ryusouls. So we can take the Ryusouls we looked at, slide those in on the sides, and we can put a 5th Ryusoul in the middle. In this case, I've decided to grab the gold Ryusoul. And so then, you can just take a Ryusoul off and slide back on as you see fit, or pop open the egg-like buckle for the center Ryusoul. After that, we'll get to the compatibility with other items, starting by using one of the Ryusouls with the Ryusoul changer, since they all make the same sounds in it. Then we'll use the Ryusouls with the Ryusouken. First, the MieSoul. Then the MabushiSoul. Then the KakureSoul. And lastly, the YawarakaSoul. And finally, we can use these Ryusouls as alternate heads for Kishiryu. So, going in order. MieSoul. MabushiSoul. KakureSoul. And YawarakaSoul. And there we go. Overall, the same thing can be said about the Ryusoul Set 03 as with the other ones, in that it's a great addition to your collection since it gives you 3 new souls to give you new sounds out of the Ryusouken, as well as optionally using them as alternate heads for your mechs. As for the Ryusou Buckle G, it's pretty much the same thing that we've seen before, except with 1 extra holder. So you get a little bit more capacity to hold some souls, but it is mostly for kids' roleplay purposes, so it's not really that good for overall storage if you have a lot of souls. As far as the include soul goes, while currently this is the only way to get the YawarakaSoul, I do get the feeling that it's one that might get released in Candy Toy or Gachapon form later on down the line. So if you're willing to wait on that and you're not so keen on getting another buckle, then this one might be worth passing. But that just kind of depends on how you're looking at it. Next time I'll be reviewing the Deluxe Neo Decay Driver. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you're new and would like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And for now, this is KakureSoul, riding off.